Hey everybody, it's Roland from eatwellmovewell.com. Today we're going to make cold brewed coffee. Actually, we're going to start it. It takes about 5 minutes to get it going and 2 days to make the coffee. You're going to enjoy it though, it's worth the wait. Alright, let's get started. Today I'm using Trader Joe's Bali Blue Moon coffee, but you can use anything you like. Got the ingredients right there. I'm going to go with about 16 scoops, which for those of you who have a scale, 90 grams, 1.3 cups, sort of a medium roast coffee, and you need about 4 cups of water. Use really good water, filtered water or bottled water, something good, because if your water tastes bad, your coffee is going to taste bad. When you grind your coffee, grind it pretty coarsely, even more coarsely than you would with a French press. Normally I would grind coffee, 15-20 seconds. I only did this like 5 or 6 seconds to keep it pretty coarse. The hardest part is actually to get it into the jar without spilling it all over the place. I'm using a canning funnel, but you can just scoop it individually, but that's really boring to watch, so just do it like this. Pretty easy. And then we're going to add some water. See how it sort of floats up there? So take a spoon just to get it wet so it'll sink down. Makes this nice little sludge. Alright. Good deal. That. And add more water. Put the lid on it. Stick it in the fridge 24-48 hours later. Depending on how strong you like it, you are good to go. We'll see you in a minute. Hey, I am back. It's 48 hours for me, only a few seconds for you. We're going to take the cold brew coffee. It's been sitting in the fridge for 48 hours. Get rid of that lid. Now, you don't want to put it straight into the filter because there's too much sediment, too many grounds. So first we're going to take just a regular old sort of kitchen strainer. You could use a colander, anything that goes over a bowl, and you're just going to pour this thing through there. Our goal is basically just to get the, we're going to see it, here we go, it's like mud. Just will let it drain. Doesn't take too long. That's it, just let it go, come off to the side. Now, you're going to take your filter, put it in here, alright, and take your strained coffee, and now we're going to actually filter it into a clean jar. Let's see, it's going. There's still quite a bit of stuff in here, and it's a lot of coffee, so it's going to take a couple of minutes. So just give it some time, let it go, and be right back. All right, we are here with the end result. We've got the cold brew concentrate in the jar, ready for the lid to stick in the fridge. Should last you about a week, unless you drink it faster than that. We've got my first cup of coffee right here. I've already been tasting it, and I went with boiling water and 3 parts water, hot water, to 1 part cold brew coffee, because this is pretty concentrated. So if you like it a little bit stronger, obviously adjust, and you're good to go there. If you are using iced coffee, if you're having iced coffee, I would recommend either doing it straight over ice. It's sort of a very mild espresso taste, or you can do 1-to-1, or even if you like it, if you already like it watered down a little bit more, go 2-to-1, or 2-to-1. Anything more than that, and you're gonna, by the time that ice melts, it's gonna be too diluted. But it's pretty good, and I think you're gonna like it. It's a great, easy way to make very refreshing iced coffee, and also it's a real nice way to have a real smooth cup of coffee ready to go anytime you want. All you gotta do is boil water. See ya.